Hello everybody watching, this is Money Collector 2022, and today I'm going to be talking about getting into the hobby of collecting paper money. So I'm going to be giving you guys some advice if you're new to the hobby, and I'm going to show you guys what the basic things are to look for in collecting paper money. So I've been collecting money for quite some time. Basically ever since I was a little kid I've been collecting money, and I kind of have a pretty good idea what to look for. And I call it money hunts, and a lot of the people that are subscribed to my channel like the money hunts, because I get amount of money, I go to the bank, and I get it in different types of bills. Then I'll go back home and normally make a video on it, but I'll normally find something that's pretty cool, and yeah, then if it's not, I'll just go back to the bank. And that's another cool thing. Say you do a money hunt and you don't find anything cool. You don't lose anything with this hobby. I mean, you take it back to the bank and you didn't lose anything. And say you do find something cool. It's still there. It's you can even sell it, make a profit off of it, or you can hold on to it or take it back to the bank. Either way, you don't lose anything. So that's something really cool about this hobby. So I'm going to start with cool serial numbers. I found this in a money hunt. This is a 2009 $1 bill. And I'm not going to show you guys any, I actually don't have any web notes to show you guys, but I just made a video talking about web notes, so check that out, so that'll tell you guys about that in that video. So cool serial numbers. As you guys can see, this has 11111 So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 ones on this bill. So if it has the same number that many times on a bill, that is very cool and that is worth collecting. Or it could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it can just be like that too, which is really cool. Or it could be a super low serial number. It has 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That'd be cool. When it comes to super low serial numbers, don't collect it unless it has at least 4 or more zeros. That is what I go by, and I haven't found one yet. Now, I made a video a long time ago about this. I should probably make another video, but I'm going to be telling you guys this video. So, miscuts. As you can see, that is way less paper, and that is way more paper on that side. That is a miscut $1 bill right here. That is a 2013. So the thing with miscuts is it was either misaligned or the left or right side of the sheet, and it cut it off a little bit, and that is a miscut. They're not worth too much more money than face value, but they are pretty cool to hold on to, and it's, in my opinion, worth collecting to a point. All right, now we have star notes. So star notes is a replacement note, and it means that there was an error in the printing process, and the original note got destroyed. So they had to make a replacement note. So that is a replacement note for that serial number. So they put a star right there. So a lot of people don't know what star notes are. So another cool thing about star notes, I'm going to tell you guys a couple cool things. So the first cool thing is to look at your stars. You can see they're not all the way solid. There's going to be a little bit of blank in there. Just like that one. It's going to be the color of the bill inside the star. Now, if that star is solid, or even both of these, that's going to be an over ink error, and that could be worth, you could have something that's worth a lot of money. And one of my viewers actually found one of these. I believe he said he was at a Chinese restaurant, and he ate with his family, then looked when he got out of the restaurant, because in his money he got back in change, and he found one and he sold it for big money, and he thanked me in the comments and told me the story, and I was like, man, I'm happy I helped you out. So that's what I like to do. I like to help people out when they don't know what they have, and yeah, that's very cool. Another cool thing, well, another way to tell if these are worth money is you're going to want to go on My Currency Collection. I do not get paid by them to say that. It's just a website that I use, and type your number in with the star and the year, And if it's a low print run, you're going to have something more rare. If it's a high print run, there's a lot of them, and it's going to be less rare. And another thing people have been asking me in the comments is, what's the A mean after the date? That means after 2017. Or any date, it just means after. Because that's a 2017 A, so that can be any time after 2017. Now these are kind of the middle series bills right here. This is a 1990 Saks. So that's the middle series. So it ain't like the newest series, but it ain't the small head either, which I'll be telling you guys about that here in a second. So the reason I hold on to this one because it actually has an over ink splatter on the back, which is very cool. And you just don't see these too much anymore. And if you find one that's in good condition or has a cool error, I recommend holding on to it. This is not something that's not going to be worth too much more than face value, but it is pretty cool. Some people in good condition will sell something like this for like $20 over face value. And last but not least, I'm going to show you guys the 1993 small head $100 bill, and I believe that's the last year that they made these. And they did come out with the anti-counterfeiting strip in the bill right there. So the small heads were out from sometime around the early 1900s, after the horse blankets. Well, they came out sometime around the 20s, the 1920s, and they were out until 1993. And these can be worth quite a bit of money if you find one in good condition. This one's probably not worth too much more than face value, to be honest, but it is in good condition, so it could be. But it's something you don't see every day. That's something that's very neat. That's why most people like to collect money, because you just don't see that every day. And there ain't too many of them out there. And every year they get more rare and stuff, so yeah, it's very cool. So if you guys found this video useful and liked it, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I have the thanks thing, so if you guys wish to donate by the like button, there's this thing, thanks. And if you guys wish to do so, you can. I'm not asking you guys, but you guys can do that if you wish to do so. If not, you can just like and subscribe and enjoy the videos. And yeah, thanks for watching.